Let's now go to pathology of qi mechanism. Let's discuss entering and exiting of qi in essence. In the corporeal soul, Po is often described as the entering and exiting of the essence, qin. This entering and exiting of the corporeal soul is another aspect of the general entering and exiting of qi. In pathology, a disruption of the entering and exiting of qi in relation to the essence affects the way in which the essence promotes and participates in various physiological activities. This will manifest primarily in the area of resistance to pathogenic factors and in the sexual area. In the area of resistance to pathogenic factors, excessive exiting of the corporeal soul in relation to the essence causes an overreaction of the upright qi to external pathogenic factors. This is often seen in allergic diseases such as allergic asthma and allergic rhinitis. Excessive entering of the corporeal soul in the relation of the essence will cause a lack of reaction of the upright qi to external pathogenic factors, which will make the person prone to invasion of external pathogenic factors. In the sexual area, excessive exiting of the corporeal soul in relation to the essence causes excessive sexual desire, while excessive entering will cause lack of sexual desire or in men impotence. To summarize, the corporeal soul is the entering and exiting of the essence. A disruption of the entering and exiting of the corporeal soul affects the essence. Excessive exiting of the corporeal soul may cause allergic reactions or excessive sexual desire. And lastly, excessive entering of the corporeal soul may cause propensity to colds or impotence. Thank you for your attention.